We hit the evacuator bus because it's stuck. Somebody left cat ears on the bottom of the aisle. I know, there were literally cat ears on the aisle.
Hey, Cameron.
And of course, Evan, of course, he's watching. Of course he was watching.
Yeah, I'd be like, fuck you.
Wait, Evan, I want to try and get a good angle.
See, watch. It's not gonna help. It's not even helping.
It's just gonna turn the
50-ton bus.
That's Evan. Let's go over here. Come on, Evan. It's just gonna move the bus even more.
I can walk.
I'm just gonna go home and get my 4-wheeler and ride down.
It's legit not gonna be able to get out. See, because that's gonna start to get stuck.
Yeah, that thing's gonna get stuck. We're gonna have to get like that thing and push
We're gonna have to get another bus. Because that's gonna get stuck. Or not.
No, I wanted to walk.
I wanted to get a new bus.
Wait a minute, the other wheels could probably get stuck.
No, it's not.
Probably is.
What was that?
Yeah. Ha!
Evan, from what I heard from them saying is that they weren't going to allow them to hook her up. The supervisors for the bus.
I heard yes.
I heard a no.
I said no. I think they're probably stuck again.
Oh, and of course now there's a bus just passing by.
Hey!
Yay, now
It's stuck again.
Well, this is the most excitement for a bus I've had all year. All 3 years I've rode the bus.
That kid just dead.
Pop it with the
In all 3 years of those riding the bus is the first time anything exciting has happened.
No! Wait a minute. It's probably gonna get stuck again. I hope it does.
When the thing was pulling it out, I thought it was going to get stuck.
I wish it was stuck.
Ugh. Evan, come back!
Everyone take our cars. Where are they even gonna pull?
Take it off of that.
I can't even make